In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning Instagram reel using Canva. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just getting started, this guide will take you step by step through the process to help you make the most of your creative vision. Let's begin by heading over to your Canva homepage. This is your creative hub where you'll find all the tools you need to unleash your imagination. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do so. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the Create button. This is typically situated at the top of the page, and it's going to be the gateway to your new project. Once you've clicked on the Create button, a search bar will appear. Here, you're going to type in Reel. Now, you may notice that Instagram Reel is the first and primary option that pops up. This is completely fine. Don't let the lack of a Facebook-specific option throw you off. Both Facebook and Instagram Reels utilize the same dimensions, so choosing Instagram Reel will serve your purpose perfectly. So without hesitation, click on Instagram Reel to dive right into creating your new project. Now you're in the Canva editor, a powerful and user-friendly tool that brings your ideas to life. Here you can start customizing your reel to fit the aesthetic and messaging you're aiming for. Canva provides a vast library of templates, images, and graphics that you can use, or you can upload your own multimedia files to truly personalize your project. As you work, pay close attention to the layout and composition. The size and alignment of your visual elements are crucial for a visually appealing reel, especially given the vertical format typical of Instagram and Facebook Reels. This is where Canva's versatile design grid and snapping tools become invaluable, ensuring that your visuals are precisely aligned and proportioned. When choosing colors and fonts, consistency is key. You want your reel to be instantly recognizable and coherent within your overall branding or creative style. Canva offers a rich palette of color themes and a broad selection of fonts, so take your time exploring and experimenting to find the perfect combination that suits your vision. Once you've crafted your reel to perfection, preview it to ensure everything is in place and appears as you intended. If you're satisfied, your project is ready for download. You can choose to save it directly to your device, or if you're pressed for time, share it straight from Canva to your social media platforms. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've created a vibrant and engaging reel ready to captivate your audience. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative guides. Happy creating!